So for example, we're going to have this right triangle in this grass. So let's say we have a right triangle. Right triangle is composed of its side, which is called as the side A, side B, and side C. Where side C is your hypotenuse, A and B is our leg. And Pythagorean theorem has its formula, which is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Pythagoras believed that the square of the sum of the two legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse or the longer side of a triangle. So for example, we're going to find the measurement of the hypotenuse. Given the right triangle that we have, let's say the measurement of our leg A is 4 and leg B is 5. So let's substitute in the formula of our Pythagorean theorem, which is A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. So you have 4 squared plus 5 squared equals to C squared. So 4 squared is equal to 16. 5 squared is equal to 25 equals to C squared. So 16 plus 25 is equal to 41. C squared. Get the square root of both sides of the equation. So the measurement of C, 41 squared is equal to what? In your calculator. Square root of 41 is equal to 6.14. 6.40. So that is the measurement of our hypotenuse. So that's how we find the measurement of our hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem. So if one leg, so for example, if one leg of our Pythagorean theorem or right triangle is missing, let's say side A is the one that we're going to solve. The formula that we're going to use is A squared equals to C squared minus B squared. If we're going to solve for B, side B of our right triangle using the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to use the B squared equals to C squared minus A squared. So that's how we can use this formula, the Pythagorean theorem, to find each side of our right triangle. So let's say we're going to solve for the side A. See, the measurement of our hypotenuse is 10. And the measurement of our B side is 2. And we're going to find the measurement of our A. So let's use A squared equals to C squared minus B squared. So A squared equals to 10 squared minus 2 squared, which is equal to 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. Square root of 96 is equal to 9.80. So that is the measurement of our side A. So another example we're going to find the measurement of our side B. So let's use the formula that we have coming from the Pythagorean theorem. Let's say the measurement of our side A is 4 and the measurement of our hypotenuse is 6. So c squared is equal to 6 squared minus 4 squared is equal to 36 minus 16. So 36 minus 16 is equal to 20. And square root of 20 is equal to 4.47. So that is the measurement of our side B using our Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Question in solving Pythagorean theorem.
Uh, what if it's degrees or something?
What if it's degrees? That is in trigo pa. Trigo pa yan. Trigonometry. Wherein you have, for example, here, 60 degrees, this one, and you're going to find the side. Is that what you're asking? Yeah, that's trigonometric. Pupunta tayo dyan.
What if it's square root?
Square root of?
I don't know, like square root of 4, like for A, and then square root of 6 for like C or something like that.
Sige. For example, we have the measurement for C is square root of 5. And the measurement of our A, let's say it's square root of 3. So we have two radical numbers and we need to find the measurement of our side B. The same process. We're going to use the formula of the Pythagorean theorem, which is B squared equals to C squared minus A squared. So you have the square root of 5 squared minus the square root of 3 squared. So square root of 5 squared is equal to 5. So what does it mean? The squared and the square root can be cancelled out. If you have radicals and you're going to multiply it with the same radicals that you have, it's the same. So 5 minus 3, just remove the radical sign. So we have 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 square root, get the square root of 2, and the square root of b squared. So b is equal to 1.41. So that is the measurement of side B. So kapag radical sign is the measurement of the given side of the triangle, just cancel it out. Cancel the square root and the squared and just get the base of your radical sign, which is 5 and 3. That's how you solve it. Okay na? Okay. So let's try to answer some of the questions here in our Discovery Education. Kindly go to your Discovery Education. Answer first the two questions, the SN and the verify estimate.